Are you tired of persistent dental issues despite rigorous brushing and flossing? Meet ProDentim, the innovative oral probiotic supplement that's changing the game in dental care. This comprehensive review will dive deep into what makes ProDentim a potential game changer for your oral health routine. What is ProDentim? ProDentim is an advanced oral probiotic supplement designed to support and improve dental health from the inside out. Unlike traditional oral care products that focus solely on external cleaning, ProDentim works by balancing the oral microbiome, the delicate ecosystem of bacteria in your mouth. ProDentim's formula is a carefully crafted blend of beneficial bacteria and supporting ingredients. Lactobacillus paracasei supports gum health and reduces inflammation. Lactobacillus reuteri helps combat bad breath and promotes a healthy oral environment. B-lactis BL-4 boosts immune function and oral health. Inulin, a prebiotic that feeds beneficial bacteria. Malic acid may help with teeth whitening. Tricalcium phosphate supports tooth remineralization. Peppermint provides fresh breath and has antimicrobial properties. How does ProDentim work? ProDentim takes a holistic approach to oral health. Balances the oral microbiome by introducing beneficial bacteria, strengthens teeth and gums through improved nutrient absorption, prevents bad breath by addressing its root causes, reduces plaque and tartar buildup, boosts the immune response in the oral cavity. The benefits: more than just clean teeth, users of ProDentim may experience improved overall oral hygiene, stronger teeth and healthier gums, noticeably fresher breath, reduced inflammation in the oral cavity, enhanced immune function, potential teeth whitening effects. How to use ProDentim. Taking ProDentim is simple. Chew 1 tablet daily, preferably after a meal. For best results, use consistently as part of your daily routine. Safety profile: gentle yet effective. ProDentim is formulated with natural ingredients and is generally well tolerated. While some users may experience mild digestive issues initially, serious side effects are rare. As always, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Pros and cons: weighing your options. Pros: natural ingredient profile, easy to use, chewable tablet, comprehensive approach to dental care, 60-day money-back guarantee for risk-free trial. Cons: results may vary from person to person. Not recommended for children under 18, may take several weeks to see noticeable results. Real people, real results. Many ProDentim users report positive experiences, with some noticing improvements in gum health and breath freshness within 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use. Sarah, a 35-year-old marketing executive, shares, "I've struggled with gum sensitivity for years. After a month of using ProDentim, I've noticed a significant difference. My gums feel healthier, and my dentist even commented on the improvement." Addressing your concerns. FAQ. Is ProDentim safe for long-term use? A. ProDentim is formulated for daily use and is generally safe for long-term consumption. However, it's always best to consult with your dentist or healthcare provider for personalized advice. Q. Can ProDentim replace my regular oral care routine? A. No, ProDentim should complement, not replace, your regular brushing and flossing routine. It's designed to work alongside traditional oral care practices for optimal results. Q. How long does it take to see results with ProDentim? A. While individual experiences may vary, many users report noticeable improvements within 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use. For best results, continue use for at least 2 to 3 months. Overcoming objections: why ProDentim might be right for you. It seems expensive compared to regular toothpaste. Consider ProDentim as an investment in your overall health. By potentially reducing the need for costly dental procedures in the future, it may actually save you money in the long run. I'm skeptical about its effectiveness. ProDentim's approach is backed by growing research on the importance of the oral microbiome in dental health. Plus, with a 60-day money-back guarantee, you can try it risk-free. I already have a good oral hygiene routine. Even with excellent oral hygiene, the balance of bacteria in your mouth can be disrupted by diet, stress, and environmental factors. ProDentim helps maintain this crucial balance from within. Conclusion: a new era in oral health. ProDentim represents a paradigm shift in how we approach oral care. By focusing on the root cause of many dental issues, the balance of oral bacteria, it offers a promising complement to traditional dental hygiene practices. While it's not a magic solution and results may vary, the potential benefits and satisfaction guarantee make it a compelling option for those looking to elevate their oral health routine. Ready to give your smile the probiotic advantage? Visit the official ProDentim website to learn more and take the first step towards a healthier, happier mouth. Remember, your oral health is a crucial part of your overall well-being. Whether you choose ProDentim or not, prioritizing your dental care is always a wise decision. Here's to your healthiest smile yet.